Starting around 21 walk 2024 Solana generally is exchanging at $179.48 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 0.67% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way in an unpretentious manner. Sol in a real sense has a very especially complete market cap of $79,682,841,772 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $62,74,649,526. So Sol generally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $79,682,841,772 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $62,74,649,526 in a kind of truly significant manner. This really makes Solana Sol certainly lovely positioning at 5 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Solana cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Solana by and large be essentially worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Is Solana a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, which for the most part is very critical? Will Sol cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, or so they certainly thought, or so they generally thought? These in a real sense are our Solana cost expectations for Sol's future. Solana Sol value expectation 2024 as per the Solana estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Sol value is supposed to truly cross a genuinely normal value level of $261.08. The normal pretty certainly least value worth of Solana toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to fundamentally be $251.83 in a by and large huge manner, which generally is very critical. Besides, Sol can in a real sense arrive at a kind of exceptionally most extreme value level of $291.15 in a by and large especially enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. Solana value expectation walk 2024. Solana cost by and large is supposed to especially reach between $175.87 to $199.94 in walk 2024, while the typical cost of Sol for the walk generally remains around $194.38. Solana value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the especially greatest cost for Solana could generally stretch around $207.71, or so they basically for the most part thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Sol in April 2024 is $192.81 with a typical cost of $221, which for the most part is very huge, which is genuinely critical. Sol value gauge May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Solana for the most part is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense, exceptionally least value worth of $198.82 in an in every practical sense huge way. The Sol cost could by and large arrive at a kind of especially most extreme cost of $215.72 with a kind of beautiful normal cost around $206.22, which shows that Solana value expectation walk 2024. Solana cost in a real sense is supposed to reach between $175.87 to $199.94 in walk 2024, while the truly normal cost of Sol for the walk basically remains around $194.38. Solana value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the really greatest cost for Solana could in a real sense stretch around $207.71 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. Sol value estimate June 2024. The Solana conjecture for June 2024 expects that the Sol may essentially arrive at a greatest worth of $226.03 with a kind of least cost of around $207.06 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Sol can truly stretch around $214.47 for June. Sol value figure July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Solana explicitly is supposed to by and large especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $213.50, which in a real sense is very huge. The Sol cost could generally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $236.76 with a typical cost around $220.90, which is very huge incredibly. Solana value expectation August 2024. Solana cost explicitly is supposed to generally reach between $218.27 to $245.59 in August 2024, while the typical cost of Sol for the August explicitly remains around $227.53. Solana Sol value forecast September 2024. The cost for Solana in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $226.95 and $254.69 incredibly amazingly, while the sort of exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $234.36, or so they explicitly thought. Solana Sol Value Conjecture October 2024. The Solana Sol cost for October 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a truly least worth of $234.47, while the sort of greatest squadge cost is around $266.41, which basically is very huge, or so they generally thought. The genuinely normal cost for Sol by and large is truly anticipated to sort of reach $243.73 in October 2024 in an unpretentious way. Solana Sol Value Estimate November 2024. The Solana Sol cost for November 2024 may, for the most part, certainly arrive at the very least worth of $243.64, while the genuinely sort of greatest anticipated cost essentially is around $278.60, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. The very normal cost for Sol fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to basically reach $251.04. In November 2024, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking, Solana Value Gauge December 2024, the kind of normal cost of Solana Sol could for the most part go to $261.08 toward the finish of December 2024, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Sol could basically be exchanging around a greatest worth of $291.15 with the extremely least expected cost of $251.83 in an exceptionally lovely significant manner. Solana in every practical sense, past value examination in the reasonably truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been diminished by 4 to 6% in its kind of current worth, all things considered in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming that we look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an unpretentious manner, or so they basically thought. From very most recent 7 days, the Sol by and large was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 661%, or so they for the most part commonly thought. Solana truly has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be in every way that really matters, great chance to dive right in and most certainly put resources into a significant way basically. Solana Value Estimate 2024 Facts. What will especially basically be Solana kind of worth in 2024 in a very enormous manner, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Sol cost especially is determined to essentially arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $291.15 with really least cost of $251.83 toward the finish of 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. Does Solana basically have a future in a sort of huge manner? As far as value, Solana in every practical sense has an exceptional kind of potential to sort of arrive at new levels, which in a real sense shows that on the off chance that we sort of look at the by and large